This is the Duluth Traverse. Let's go look at the map. And I preserved most of my battery for the later trail, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, see, I haven't even gotten to... See, this next part has two sections. The part that I'm going to go on, and then I think there's part of Duluth Traverse in here. But this part right here is pretty sweet. This part's fun too, but this is the best part right here. This is Indigenous Land, or that's what they call it now. Cruising on through. I'm going to do the top half and the bottom half of this. You can watch some of my other videos for the other parts of this. But I have not done this whole entire trail. I usually do the Black Diamond. I'm not going to do the Black Diamond today. So this is going to be pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. I am planning on riding all the way up to hopefully Thanksgiving. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, yeah. That's one of them looks. I mean, you're right on the edge of the trail right there. Oh, I love this trail. I'm gonna ride this whole area without my wristband. I'm so proud of myself. It's just like, it's time to take that thing. Whoops. Whoops. Black Diamond feature. Oh yeah. I probably shouldn't have done that, but skills. A lot of downed trees. Yeah, after these trails, I'm gonna just start returning to stuff. There's a lot of stuff I have not done yet this year in the cities and closer to home. Nice tight turn. Wow. Oh, here's the big one. Oh, wow. Hey man, you want to ride down that? I probably won't be filming too much more of this trail. I wanted to get up to that point. We'll go back to the paved trail, because this does kiss up against the Munger Trail. So we'll do that part. And then we'll do the latter half that I haven't ridden. It's just a sweet trail. I could film the whole thing. But... So there's one obnoxious mud spot that I remember right before the trail merges with the pavement. And I don't honestly recall where that is. Oh! There's so many fun fast sections in here. But like I said, I'm going more downhill now than the other trails. I should have enough video now after this expedition. It lasts me up until Christmas, which is a good thing because I got lots of backup too. I should probably. Okay, here we go. So no obnoxious mud spot. Interesting. Ow. Gosh, I keep tweaking my. Oh, well, that's the continuation of the trail. And this is the Munger Trail, that stone bridge. You probably can't see it way off in the distance. That's the Duluth Traverse going up to the parking lot. Okay, that's the Black Diamond that I always do. And this is the part that I've never done. So I'm going to keep rolling. Hopefully I have enough battery. Just keep rolling through this and down to the other side. Hopefully. Oh, my wrist is just... Oh, rock garden. I'm going to bypass it because my wrist has been jarred enough. Yeah, it's feeling really kind of goofy. I might pause at the next intersection, which will be the outspurt of the, or the other joining of the Black Diamond. Lest we hope I have enough battery for the remainder of this trail, because this is the money spot right here, this part of the trail. And you got a massive drop right there, and I know my camera just went. Yeah, you got some featurettes here for sure. Classic Duluth rock. I forgot that there was so many rock things here. Some of them I'm going by, some of them I'm going off of. Last time I came through, I couldn't go off that one that I just nailed squarely. So, and last time I went through here, one of the bridges was out. So, we'll have to see what the situation is. That would really suck. Well, I did encounter another rider that came up this way. So, if the bridge is out, he wouldn't have been able to come up. So, I think we crossed about 9 or 11 wooden bridges, and they all turn the same direction. It's kind of interesting. Woo! Yeah, this is the payback right here. I'm gonna have no battery. You know, if I don't get all of this. Oh, hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Doing pretty good.
Hey.
Have a good ride.
Yeah, I'm getting to the end of it. I would like to encounter people right there and not down farther, as you'll see. You saw my videos from last year. This is a pretty sweet clunk, pretty sweet section. First time I did this, I couldn't action cam because of the stupid action cams. I forget exactly what it was. Oh, there's a rock roll. I missed it. I've encountered those people before too. So they were going did the same trail. They probably parked up on top. When does a trail get awesome? You have to kind of watch yourself. Here's the Superior Hiking Trail. And I think, oh my gosh, I think this piece right here is going to be hoofed by myself. Come on, get back on that bike. Oh, I want to race. I race to the end of my battery. This part I think is joint between walkers and holy bananas. Yes, holy bananas. This part is joint between walkers and bikers. I think this is part of that is the skip the mud spot. I like the skip the mud spot eyelets. Maybe that's where eyelets came from. Take the high road, take the high road. And this one I'm just gonna go right through. I should probably make sure I'm not getting any manure on my camera lens. I ruined one of my videos yesterday. Restarting with new battery. There we go. I got 23% battery. Wow, look out for chipmunks on fire. Here we go, this is it. This is the payback downhill. It is freaking sweet. It's like this for like 70 miles. No, I'm kidding, it's not quite that long. But it's probably about a mile of this. Okay, so here's one of the bridges, and that looks pretty new. I'm guessing they redid that. I'm guessing that's a bridge that was out. I just noticed that my saddle is leaning even more to the side, so I'm probably gonna have to get a new saddle. But it's super comfortable. I am not complaining at all. It's pretty sweet. Now, if you really knew this trail really well, which I don't, this is my third time, you could probably jump out off the edge of this cliff and transfer. I'm kidding, of course. The other part of the trail, I mean, it skirts the end of this, and then there are some tight switchbacks to come. I put my wristband back on, as you can probably see, because I figured, why not? I know this isn't like rock strewn, drop happy, jump crazy, but there are a few possibilities in here. Wow! I love this part of the trail. You got to be careful right here because it's like a blind, which is why I probably will always action cam this so people can hear me talking to myself, or you, or the space aliens. Yeah, I mean, if you don't encounter anybody coming uphill, here's a little tabletop right here. This is what I kind of was remembering. There's a couple of little jumps in here. But I was like, I don't want to do anything because, okay, coming around the corner again. There's about 3 or 4 of these. I'd say that's the 4th one. You got 2 blinds right there. Actually, the first time I did this, I encountered a dog walker, but it was right at the very base. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is a sweet trail. They're like, yeah, this is one of the best trails in the universe. Oh yeah. Like I said, it just doesn't end. Here's another sharp corner. Not so much of a blind corner. Now the little thing on the tree right there, that's part of the Superior Hiking Trail doodad. So like I said, call out every time you go around the corner. Coming around the corner. There's about 6 blind spots. Okay, here's the big jump right here. This is the one I've always wanted to try to do something with. I love this trail. The grand finale. And now we come into break yourself. I have a weird way of doing this, but my way is right and your way is wrong, because I'm a politician. Okay, here we go. Look out for mud. Right there. Not too bad. This is pretty much the tail end of it. It doesn't do the awesomeness anymore. And you ascend into one of the longest boardwalk of all mountain bike mecca. No, it's not this one. Doesn't that look inviting? Just be real careful when you get onto it. And then you gotta crank to get up it. It's, you know, if it was any skinnier, they'd say this is a Black Diamond Trail just because of that. Okay, coming around the corner. Whoa. I was like this close. Coming around the corner. I forgot, yeah, there is a little bit more of this. Yeah. This just makes me want to ride more trails doing this. Oh yeah. Coming around the corner. Wow, there's like so many. I think my phone is going in and out of service. There's so many of these. I forgot. I thought it was just the top part, but no, it's this bottom part too. It'll all be over soon. And then we go home. Yeah, that's it. So long, farewell. I'm off to drive home. And then some more, no home. Oh, yeah. That is the end of the awesomeness. And here it is, the world's longest boardwalk. And it lets you out at kind of an inconvenient place. They should be able to connect your trail. I'm not sure where or how they would do that, but, oh, they're doing some work down here. Okay. Huh. Yeah, like a connector trail that went back this way. Or down this way. This will lead you into Fond du Lac. You get on the highway.